Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the RV classes. So, I most welcome to you in our classes. So today we are going to discuss the previous year mathematics question from GATE. So now you can look these question. I am going to take the question of calculus. It will be also helpful for the class 11th student, class 12th student, because limits. I will go to the topic called limit. Limit is a basic and fundamental topic in the engineering mathematics, or you can say that any mathematical portion of calculus. If you want to study calculus, you have to begin with the limit. So limit is a basic topic. You can also solve the questions of limit. So limit is a very general topic, you can say that. So now I am going to take the first question. So question says that limit x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 is. So it has asked in I think get mechanical. Get mechanical. It question has asked in get mechanical. So question is very simple. Limit x square minus 1 x divided by x minus 1 is. So simply question says that limit x tending to what is the x tending to? I think I do not have remember. X tending to 1, 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 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. So simply you have to solve this question. You can solve this question by using L'Hopital rule, but I am not going to use that rule, because this question can be also a simple question, because x square minus 1 is nothing but x plus 1. You know the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means x plus 1 into x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So simply this question, this will be cut and extending to 1, and there is a extending to 1. So put the value of 1 in this equation. So 1 plus 1, that means 2. So simply your answer will be 2. So simply your answer will be 2. So so simply your answer will be 2. So look at this. So simply your answer will be 2. That means option number C. Next question I am going to also take this question, I think. This question. This question. I think. Okay. No, this question not. Again a basic question. I will cover firstly some basics question, then after I will go to the moderate level question, or you can say that good level question. So next question is in mind this 18. The value of limit x tending to 8 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 upon x minus 8. What will be the value of this limit? So question says that limit, my writing is not good, limit x tending to 8 x tending to 8 x to the power I think 1 by 3 minus what is the there is what the value, what is the value there is present, x to 1 by 3 minus 2, minus 2 upon x minus 8. So simply what will be the limit extended to 8 है. So simply you have to use L'Hopital rule. You have to use L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule. So simply if you use L'Hopital rule, that become very easy. X to the power 1 by 3. What is the differentiation of this? This will be the differentiation of this will be nothing but 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. And what is the differentiation of x? That differentiation of x will be 1, and these are the constants which become the 0. Limit x tending to 8. So simply 1 by 3 cross x, I think 8. Yeah, this will be this value 8, and to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. What is the value of the 1 by 3 minus 1? That means 3 there, and 3 1 minus 2. I think, yeah, minus 2 by 3. Okay, I think I'm right. 1 by 3. So simply if you calculate this, I have already calculated this. I have calculated this. You will got the answer D, 1 by 4. If you simply calculate this, if you simply calculate it to the power 2 by 1, I think you know about how to calculate this. So because you are a student of 11th, 12th and engineering, so you know about this 8 2, and that will cut through this to forget. That means, and 3 is gone because this 3 will be upward side, so that means simply become 1 by 4. So option number D is your correct answer. So this will be your correct answer, option number D. Now we are going to the next question. So wait a second, I will erase this. Firstly I will erase this. Okay, now the value of function, and that means you have to find the value of function limit extended to 0 x to the power 3 plus x square by 2x cube minus 7x square. You have to solve this question. 21. I think this question has been asked in the civil engineering branch. Yeah, civil engineering. So you have to solve this question. You have to simply modify. Question says that the limit extending to 0, limit extending to 0 x cube plus x square upon 2x cube minus 7x square, 2x cube minus 7x square, 2x cube minus 7x square, 2x cube minus 7x square. In this question you have to again apply the L'Hopital rule. You have to again apply the L'Hopital rule. So simply what is the differentiation will be this 3x square plus 2x, and what will be the differentiation of this 6x square 3 6x square minus 7, and that means 14. That means 14 now. Yeah, which color I have written? Yeah, the green. 14 x, and you have to again differentiate this. So 6x plus 2, and there will be 6 to 12 x minus 14, I think. Yeah, am I right? Yes. Yeah. Okay, so simply if you put this value, LT tends to 0, you have to write this. And because my method is a objective type method, so that's why I am not going to detail how to write the answer. So 6, yeah, if we put the value of 0, this will be 0. That means simply 2y minus 14, so minus is there, and this like this. So 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. So what will be our answer? So simply our answer will be B. Now next question, if I go to next question, simply what is our question? Okay, simply this question says that sine 2y 3x. Yeah, this is also a very simple and common question. This is. This is again a very good simple question, not a very vast question, you can say very simple. I am calling this simple. That means this is again a very simple question. So simple question, limit extended to 0 sine what will say itna. Yeah, that means we can check this answer like this: limit extended to 0 sine of 2y 3x upon x. So you know the formula, I think. So what is the value of limit extending to 0 sin x by x? What is the formula for this? Tell me. So simply formula for this is limit extending to 0 sin x by x, that means 1. So simply this will become a 1, and 1 into 2 by 3, that means 2 by 3 cross 1. So simply 2 by 3 will be the answer. So I think option number A is your correct answer. So option number A. Yeah. So next question, you have to if y is equal to x plus like this, then y of 2, then what is the value of y of 2? Y of 2, that means I think the value of y at 2. What is the value of y of 2? I think this is our question. So simply you can tackle this question. I have solved already, but okay, don't worry, I will look at this question. Okay, simply, so y of 2, no, y of 2, I have to find y of 2. So so look at this question number 24. So again this question is only looks like big, not very big. This question only looks like big. This question is not big like it looks. So simply you can solve this question. This question is like this, I think. y is equal to x plus, I think x plus, no, am I right or not? X plus, yeah, x plus, yeah, x plus root x plus root x, I think dot dot dot, like this now. If you look this question, so this question like this, no, yeah, this question like this, no, nothing, yeah, am I right? I think am I right? Okay, so simply take x there, so take the x there, so simply it become y minus x, and there will be root under x plus root under x plus dot 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 dot. So you have to square this, so you can look this, you can look here, I have solved already, but so simply you can look the here how to solve this. So squaring both side, y minus x square x plus y x plus root under x plus dot dot infinity, so your answer will be 4. You can look this y minus x to the power whole square, and value will be x plus y, that means this value become y, so x plus y is equal to y. So simply you can tackle by the quadratical form, and then you have to put the value of x is equal to 2, and this will be equation, and this is your answer. So answer 4. This is not a calculus question, you can say that is a question from asked from function. I have to only take the questions from limit, but I unfortunate take this question from function, but it will be grow your knowledge, I think. So today I have to not take a functions question, I have to only take the limits question, but I again take this question, so don't worry. Okay, so this is a question you can try this question. So question says that what is the value of this? Okay, so question limit extended to infinity, yeah, this question is also very easy. You can solve this by L'Hopital rule, is your important for your GATE examination. Limit extended to infinity sin x by x. So simply limit extending to infinity, that means infinity by infinity form. So if you put this here, infinity by infinity form, you can look at this. So infinity by infinity form, simply differentiate from first. What is the differentiation of first term? Sin x differentiation is always cos x, and differentiation of x will be 1. Limit extended to what is extended to infinity, so cos infinity. So what is the value of cos infinity? Cos infinity, yeah, no, yeah, am I right? Yeah, I am going to the detail. No, cos infinity 629 to infinity, yeah, put x is equal to 1 by z. So if you put line substitute there, so simply cos of 1 by z, so simply it's become cos of 1 by infinity. What is the value of 1 by infinity? Cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? 1. The value of cos 0 will be 1. That means 1 is your answer for this question. So you can look this question. I think C is the correct option. So I have to take all the great question from basics, because we will also provide a big video on network. Hope you have watched that video. I will give the link of description of that video in your description, so you can check the network, or you can also check the network video. So network theory is also important for EC, AA and IN student. That topic become a very important topic for EC, EE and IN student. So if you from EC, EE and IN student, so you should try to check that video. Okay, so now I'm ending this video. So next video we will try to solve the questions from for mathematics. We will go to the question from, I think, theorem of integral calculus. Yeah, this topic question we will take. Okay, thanks for watching, and keep sharing and keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks guys. Thanks.